Hey everybody, it's me, Jeff Acosta. Hey, how you guys all doing? Well, here's another November video, and there'll actually be a couple coming up pretty soon. I really hope a lot of you checked out my children's books on my professional Facebook page, like I mentioned in the previous video. And in case you haven't, don't forget to subscribe. And hey, if you know anybody who has Asperger syndrome, autism, or any kind of special condition, and they may need some kind of inspiration from someone, even if they're not 100% perfect. You know, because like I say, I'm not always 100% perfect, and that's okay, nobody really is. Please let them know about my professional Facebook page, my YouTube channel, and my Instagram, Meet Writer Jeff Acosta. Well, anyways, besides that, I hope you guys had a chance to read some of my books and got to read some of my stories and meet my characters. And if you have, please spread the word about my books, because you know what? Since children's books are the hardest to get published these days, the more word that gets out about my series, maybe the better chance I'll be professionally published one day. That would be amazing. So thank you guys. So here we are, another November video. I just got back from visiting my family in Nevada. We had an early Thanksgiving weekend with everybody, which is wonderful. Wonderful dinner. Unfortunately, I couldn't capture any moments of it because the moment the turkey was ready, whoa, we dove right into our food. But it was all so delicious. But it was a great time with my family. And then one of the coolest things is we got out to Donner Memorial State Park. Check this out. There is so much history in that park. It's just amazing, like what the Donner party and many of the other families, like the Reed family, had to go through. as you saw, I didn't go into full description in any of the video clips I featured, mainly just because I don't want to ruin any like, you know, the excitement of coming to the Memorial State Park and the museum itself, because I want everybody to come and check it out. And that's one thing I like to do for my videos is, even if I do mention museums like you saw recently in the Black Hawk Museum in Danville, California, and also the Museum of the San Ramon Valley, I don't go into full detail about some of those exhibits because I don't want to, like, you know, ruin it. Basically, it's kind of like, you know, like movie spoilers. Basically, I don't want to spoil anyone's chances of going to any of these museums, and just like, I think you get the idea. Basically, I just don't want their excitement to be basically like ruined. But other than that, it was just a great time. It was great to finally see where the Donner Party, like, you know, came to be, and just before the remaining survivors were rescued. What an incredible day! And as you saw in the title of this video as well, one of my brothers and I, we drove out to Lake Tahoe. We got to see the Tahoe Knight Monsters. And as you heard right there, I was kind of stumbling a little bit in my vocabulary. I'm still a little tired, but that's okay. It was just a nice little ride, and I'm home safe. So we had a wonderful time with our parents. You know, we had a quick little like late lunch at a brewery in Truckee. We drove, we had some food, got to check out another brewery, and then we had a great time at the game. And then I'm gonna mention something briefly in this video that will be featured as a separate video coming up pretty soon. So check this out. My brother and I had such a fun time. That was like the first time in like almost like 30 years the last time I've been to a hockey game. The last time I was at one was like when I was 7 years old, like, and I saw the San Jose Sharks. So it was really awesome to see another professional hockey team. Even for the minor leagues of hockey, they were still just as fun. It's kind of like AAA baseball, basically. So if you're ever in Tahoe during the winter months or however long the hockey season truly goes, get out there and check out the Knight Monsters. Or if there are any other like minor hockey teams in your states and towns, please check them out. I think they're just as fun as AAA baseball. That was so much fun. So thank you guys all so much for watching this. And as you saw, like I mentioned, I'm going to be bringing up the Marcus Ashley art gallery just down the street from where the stadium is in Lake Tahoe because of the special Dr. Seuss exhibition that they have there. I want to say that for a separate video because I think it deserves a video all of its own. All right, everybody. All right, man, I'm ready to eat my dinner. As you can hear through the way I'm talking and you can see. All right, everybody. Well, thank you so much for watching this again. And hey, don't forget to subscribe. And if you know anybody who has Asperger syndrome or autism and they need any kind of inspiration, please tell them about our professional Facebook page, Meat Writer Jeff Acosta, and YouTube channel and Instagram of the same name. All right, everybody. See you in the next video when we talk about Dr. Seuss at the Marcus Ashley Art Gallery. See you in a bit.